Some of you are here, God told you 3 years ago you will marry. You are not yet married. Does that mean God lied? No. Something is trying to resist it. Your job now is to say, God cannot lie. Therefore, everything resisting this word, kakotapa, teretita, paragata, parondia, fakatila, jagata, and you uproot them. Don't go back and fold your hand and say, they say 3 years. This is not the 50th year. It's not true. If it would have happened to happen, that's your loss. God is not a man that he should lie. Neither is he the son of man that he should repent. Can he say a thing and can he not do it? Can he say a thing and should he not do it? He's not a man that he should lie. So if God cannot lie, then the circumstance is the one lying. Therefore, I insist. Ask those who see miracles. This is what they know. Can somebody insist for 1 minute? Can you insist on that matter for 1 minute? Barakatoa, Tatavila, Shabbat, Shabbat, Shabbat. Shabbat, Shabbat. I insist. I insist. I insist. Leko parete, Asuna, Tavila, Shakata. This ministry must touch the ends of the earth. The dead must rise here. The lame must walk. The blind must see. The deaf must hear. When we never beg for money, resources will come. God said it. I insist, and it is so. It may have taken 12 years. It may have taken 17 years. But I insist, my family must have peace. Oh my God, my family must have peace. I insist. I will not end up an illiterate. God said I will affect my generation. I insist. I will not end up a beggar. God said I will be a blessing of many generations. I insist. Cora felerista vac, Sasasani, Baron de Vina Ardistas.